I'm Vishesh and today we are going to perform my chemistry project. With me I have some vinegar and baking soda and now we're going to add them and let's see what happens. Let's do it! And here we have some vinegar which I removed earlier, and this is some of my baking soda in a spoon. Let's add them. As you can see, a fuzz is being formed. Let's add more of it. Let's add them now. Mix them. You can hear the sizzling sound. As you can see, a fuzz was being formed with some bubbles. This all means that when you add vinegar to baking soda, they've combined to become carbon dioxide, which is released in the form of fuzz. You can normally see this fuzz when you add Mentos into soft drinks. Thank you. Bye.